Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. We have some new block sets. Now it's always important to have smaller blocks in your stash, because when you have a small stamp, you want to have a small block so you have more control over that stamp. So we are releasing these fun circle type blocks, and they are about 1.75 inches, and there's 3 in the set. Now it's always important to have a whole bunch of them, because I'm telling you, I'm always grabbing them and I always need extras and I always need more, so I'm keeping these. We also have another set that has a let's double check this size. This is 1 1/4 block and a 1x2 block. Now these are going to be perfect again for your little tiny things. But the nice thing about this set is you're going to get 3 of this one and 3 of this one. So that is fantastic. Stock up on those blocks now, right? We are also releasing, finally, our Sunshine ink pad. So if you didn't get this in that exclusive kit that we released way back in, I think, March, now's your chance to get the stamp set, the ink pad and the ink refill. Now, what is Sunshine? What color is Sunshine? Let me show you. Here I have 3 different colors. This is our lemonade. This is our Sunshine, and this is our banana. So you can see it's definitely a beautiful yellow. In fact, if I had to pick my favorite yellow, I think I'd pick that one, because Sunshine is just beautiful. So that is now available on our website. Now, we also are releasing 2 packs of pearl paper. What do I mean pearl paper? Let me share with you. These are absolutely gorgeous. Now, you're getting extra colors in here. So you're getting, there's a bronze kind of color, there is gold, there is like a dark gray, there's a black, which, oh my gosh, it's almost a glitter, but it's not a glitter. So that's nice, especially under these lights. You can really see a lot of shimmer, but it's not a glitter. Now here's a light gray or a silver, and then a white. Now this is actually my favorite. Look at that, and it's both sides. They are absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait for you to get these, because they're not going to show up on camera how beautiful they really are. But there's fun. And you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors, 2 of each in a pack. So that is handy dandy, 6 by 6 in size. That's one of the packs. The other pack, oh my goodness, is a dark deep blue, pretty much a midnight, then a dark red, pretty much a cranberry. Then we have a little pixie. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Then we have a green, and oh wow, a blue. See, can you tell I'm all excited? And a purple. That's definitely great. Look at that. So that is pretty as well. Definitely check these out. The shimmer is just gorgeous on them. I wish the camera could really pick up how pretty they are. It's not a glitter. It's more of a shimmer. We're calling them pearl, because they remind us of a pearl look. But those are so much fun. Exciting, and I'm grabbing both of these sets. Now, club members, of course, you get a club discount on all of these items, and if you're not in the club, I beg you to go check it out. It's only $11.95 a month, and that includes a stamp set and 15% off everything on our website. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.